Hello there, my beautiful and wonderful people. This is how I prepare my puff puff. It was so nice, so beautiful, and soft and sweet. Okay, let's get started because I want to see if I can mention the ingredients well here, because I made a little mistake on the ingredients I use. So let's watch a little bit. This is the time that I was ready, taking it from the oil. But let me show you how I prepare everything. Okay, you can tell here I'm using soft flour. I use 2 cups. I add another 2 cups. So together I use 4 cups of soft flour. Okay. Then I use 1 teaspoon of my dry yeast, dry active yeast. You see me in the video, I pour 1 teaspoon of the yeast to the other side of the flour. I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoon of salt too. This is the salt. Make sure you put the salt aside. Don't let the salt attach to the yeast. The reason being is that you don't want the yeast to be active fast. If you put the salt together, it won't be active right. So make sure you put the salt aside. Then I use about 4 cups of water. I use 2 first. It depends how thick you like your tugbe or your puff puff. Okay, I use 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Add it first. I use another 2 cups. Then I have my orange peel. You don't have to use this if you don't have it. I use about a teaspoon of orange peel to get a flavor, orange flavor. Okay, if you don't have orange, that's good. Like I said, the water, it depends how thick you like your bofrocho. My son calls it bofrocho, that's why I'm calling it bofrocho. So I use 1/2 cup of sugar with the warm water. The water I use, bear in mind, I warm the water a little bit. If you want your tugbe to raise or rise faster, you use warm water. So I added the sugar into the water and put it in my mixture. So I'm going to mix it until it becomes the texture I need. Like I said, the bofrot, it depends how thick you like your bofrot. People like it so thick, they want to get a lot of dough inside the bofrot. I like my bofrot a little light. This is how I mix everything. Okay, now I add a little bit of vanilla flavor. You can add any flavor your choice, pineapple flavor, almond flavor. So I add vanilla flavor. Okay, I beat it a little bit until it becomes like smooth texture. All right. You can mix it about 3 to 5 minutes. When you do that, your buff roll become a little sticky. Okay, now I cover it and leave it outside until the dough double in size. But then I have my oil ready. 2-3 hours later, you can tell my dough is ready to fry. That is how I do. You can use any scoop. If you have ice cream scooper, you can use ice cream scooper to get the same size or equal size. But then I use my finger. If you are really good in, I'm not that really good, but I can tell. I can do it the way it's showing on the video. My camera was bothering me. My tripod was bothering me, so I couldn't get my camera straight. Forgive me for that. So now you can tell the togwe is going in the oil. Make sure your oil is hot enough. Okay. Make sure your flame or your fire is medium high too. You don't want it to be high, too high, then it will burn in the middle, will be so raw. And you don't want to be the fire to be too low, so it won't soak the oil. So the fire should be in between, not soft, not high, medium. Okay, that is it. When I waited until the other side brown, turn it over. Now you can tell, turn it over when the other side was brown. Because of time, I didn't want to waste you guys time. So the waffle is ready. It's ready, 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 ready. Please let me know in the comment section if you have different way to, or you have another way to make your togbe. I think a lot of people have different way to make them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for subscribe to my channel. I use 4 cups of flour and look at how much I have. You see, I was trying to make a house cocoa or Tom Brown to eat it, but I was in a hurry. So by the time I realized the tray is gone already, I give some to my friend. Thank you so much. Next time I will bring more video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, so anytime I post the video, you'll be the first to watch. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Next time I'll bring more video. Family Chef, thanks for watching.